Did you know that Antalya, a coastal city in southwestern Turkey, is often referred to as the Turkish Riviera? Its azure waters, sprawling beaches, and ancient architecture make it a captivating blend of natural beauty and historical richness. A step into Antalya is like stepping into a time machine that takes you back to the Roman and Byzantine eras. This city, nestled between the Taurus Mountains and the Mediterranean Sea, has a history that dates back to 200 BC, when it was founded by Attalus II, a Greek king who deemed it heaven on earth. The Romans, Byzantines, Seljuks, and Ottomans each left their indelible mark on Antalya, transforming it into a mosaic of cultures. The old town, Kalechi, with its narrow, winding streets and historic houses, stands as a testament to these bygone eras. It's like an open-air museum, with every corner telling a different story. The Hadrian's Gate, erected in honor of the Roman Emperor Hadrian, is a remarkable example of Roman architecture. The Yivli Minare, a Seljuk-era minaret, punctuates the city's skyline with its distinctive fluted design, while the idyllic Tower, a Roman-era fortification, watches over the city and the sea, a silent guardian of Antalya's history. But Antalya isn't just about history, it's also a city of stunning natural beauty. The Duden waterfalls, a group of waterfalls in the province, are a sight to behold. The water cascades over a cliff into the Mediterranean Sea, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The Taurus Mountains provide a stunning backdrop to the city, their snow-capped peaks contrasting beautifully with the city's warm, sunny climate. Antalya is also famous for its beaches. Konyaaltı and Lara, two of the city's main beaches, are known for their crystal-clear waters and golden sands. They're the perfect places to soak up the Mediterranean sun and enjoy the city's vibrant beach culture. To summarize, Antalya is a city that has it all. It's a place where history and nature coexist, where ancient ruins rub shoulders with bustling beaches, where you can explore the remnants of ancient civilizations in the morning and relax by the Mediterranean Sea in the afternoon. From the ancient streets of Kalechi to the stunning Duden waterfalls, from the Roman Hadrian's Gate to the beautiful beaches of Konyaaltı and Lara, Antalya is a city that captivates and enchants. It's a city that's steeped in history, yet vibrant and alive. It's a city that invites you to lose yourself in its narrow streets, to immerse yourself in its rich history, and to fall in love with its stunning natural beauty. Indeed, Antalya is more than just a city. It's a journey through time, a feast for the senses, a place where every corner holds a new discovery. It's a city that's waiting to be explored. So why not take a journey into the heart of the Turkish Riviera and see what Antalya has to offer? It's a trip you won't forget.